Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active4 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them, and here in this left section we have to scroll in order to find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and tap on either more security settings or privacy settings. Let's start with more security settings, and as you can see, it is right here. Here we've got the credential storage section, so let's tap on clear credentials as it is the option we're looking for, and tap on OK. You will have to confirm it with your screen lock. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.